Hi guys, so I am very excited to be talking about this today, but I will be going over my research topic for my first ever dissertation. I cannot believe I'm in my final semester. This is for one of my programs, my MS in psychology. This will be a combination of this program and my medical herb in therapeutics program, and it has just been a very long, like 2 years. So it feels very full circle to be bringing it all together. I am currently working on my annotated bibliography, which is just a one document that summarizes or goes over all the different studies, like research articles that I'll be using in my dissertation. I was actually thinking of sharing some of them with you guys because I know there are a lot of gardeners on here. And there's a lot of research out there about gardening that I think is absolutely crucial to get out there so we know what's going on, like when we are gardening. But yeah, no, so I'm gonna go over the topic template. We had to submit one to my, like, the faculty member that I'm working with, just so they can look over, review. So it's kind of all nice and put together already. So I thought I'd share it. Some of the key concepts that I'm investigating: neurodegeneration, specifically neuron loss. And there's, when neurons are together, there's a little space between them that's called the synapse. And I'm also investigating what happens when that kind of goes haywire, when that's not working like it should. That microglia activation, and they're basically the guardians of your brain. They're like they're immune cells, but they're protecting, walking around, making sure everything's good. Sorry. Making sure everything's good, up to date, nothing weird is there. Um, Endocannabinoid system, of course, CB1, CB2 receptors, cannabinoids and terpenes as neuropharmacological agents, and cognitive function and neuropsychological outcomes like attention, memory, executive function, and processing speed. My target population for my paper is adults diagnosed with neurodegenerative disorders. This is like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease, ALS, MS, and I'll be comparing them to cognitively healthy adults that are the same age. Putting that all together, my my actual, like, research topic, my topic statement is restoring cognitive function while assessing neuropsychological outcomes neurodegenerative neurodegenerative disorders by modulating the endocannabinoid system through phytocannabinoid and terpene intervention. Take all the big sciencey stuff out of it. Basically, there are a lot of individuals with these diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Hunter's, and these adults, they have such strength and they have such bravery and they have such drive to live every day while still mitigating these symptoms that come with these diseases. And we have seen so much study, like so much research already coming out about helping these people and how we can use the herb, parts of it, not always the psychoactive component, not always THC, but there's a lot that we don't know, or that we are just now discovering about this, about the herb, um, and we can use it to help people. So I just want to dive deeper into that. Just assessing what happens before and after we put them in certain treatments or under certain treatments, using certain cannabinoids, using certain terpenes like lanol, beta carotene, like all those stuff, to see what happens. Bringing back some of that cognitive function without having to succumb to like, you know the man-made pill, or some of these other means of curing or healing, or helping to mitigate symptoms. There's a whole lot to it. I'm super excited about it. I was thinking I would also, I think I'm going to also start sharing some of the studies. I think I already said that. This is my ADHD showing. I think I said that. Yeah, I think I said that. But yeah, so I'm very, very excited. Yeah, just want to share it with you guys.